Did you hear about the little frog who was crawling along? He broke down. To get home, he had to get towed. Hey, did you hear about the nearsighted turtle? Fell in love with a hard hat. I write poetry too. You know, here's one I wrote called Jaybird, Jaybird, sitting in the grass. Drawback, drawback, shot him in the foot. What did you think I was going to say? We really didn't expect a granddaughter or a child at this age. Here I'm almost 80, so we spend as much time with her now as we can. Her mother lets us have her 3 days a week, and she calls me Papa, you know, but I'm not really her grandpa to her. I'm her playmate. I'm in a part of her world where I'm her playmate, and that's fine with me. We have a lot of fun, me and my playmate. You're holding onto that hose like this, and it's beating you. It's not water coming through there. It's not smooth. Boom, 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 and it takes its toll. Going up and down scaffolding, up and down ladders, down on your knees, finishing concrete, dragging that hose. It's not light. It's a heavy hose, especially when it's full of material. So that had to do with my knees finally just giving out to where I got to where I couldn't hardly walk. A lot of the problem that I was having, of course, was getting around and sleeping at night, which was terrible. Not getting a halfway decent night's rest because the pain would wake you up. Or even playing with my granddaughter, squatting and stooping and bent. You couldn't do that. I was talking to my daughter, and she was the one that told me about Dr. Wu, and she said that he does it with a robot, and they have this new setup in Inspira, and they can do it there now. And so I decided to check Dr. Wu out. Dr. Wu impressed me with the interview that we had together, and this robot is the way to go, and the technology that we have today, that is the way to go. Immediately after surgery, they had me up walking, and I was actually amazed myself. The pain that you're having now, every day, I mean, come on. And then in 2 weeks, man, you're just getting along great. I mean, you can't compare that. Do yourself a favor and get up there at Inspira and let Dr. Wu talk to you. You know, sit down with him and let him explain it to you, because it's as different as night and day. Do it, get it out of the way, and get back to living, you know?